Welcome to a new episode of the podcast Immigration Law. I'm lawyer Fabio Loscerbo, and today we discuss an important judgment issued by the Regional Administrative Court of Emilia-Romagna, First Section, decision number 759 of 2026, in case number 523 of 2026, published on April 23, 2026. This is a significant ruling because it addresses a recurring issue in immigration law. Can missing one appointment at the police headquarters automatically justify the denial of a residence permit renewal? According to this judgment, the answer is no. The case concerned an international student whose renewal application for a student residence permit had been rejected because she failed to attend a scheduled fingerprinting appointment. The administration interpreted that absence as proof of lack of interest in maintaining lawful residence. The court rejected that approach. The judges affirmed an important principle: immigration procedures cannot be governed by rigid automatism. Administrative decisions must be based on proportionality, proper investigation, and a concrete assessment of the individual circumstances. In this case, the court considered decisive the student's reasons for absence, linked to her mother's serious illness, her limited time abroad, the continuity of her university path, the exams successfully completed, and her part-time employment showing financial self-sufficiency. Another crucial point concerns procedural fairness. The court held that if documentation was incomplete, the administration should have allowed the applicant to supplement the file rather than moving directly to refusal. This transforms the case into something broader than a student permit dispute. It is a decision about due process, reasonableness, and the limits of bureaucratic formalism in immigration administration. The legal message is clear. One missed appointment does not by itself prove abandonment of the procedure when the facts show a continuing and genuine interest in preserving lawful status. And this principle may have implications well beyond student permits whenever administrations attempt to infer disinterest from isolated procedural events without evaluating the overall personal and legal situation. This is a ruling that reinforces legality, proportionality, and procedural guarantees in immigration law. Thank you for listening to this episode of Immigration Law. See you next time.